This is so cool. First off, did you lock the car?
Yes.
Sorry, I'm always paranoid about that. I did. Oh my God. Okay, at first we thought this was gonna be a little sketchy because there was no assigned parking spots. Just had to park on the street. So these are apartments above the cafe and they're owned by the cafe. These are awesome. This is so nice.
Looks like we don't have a control for our temperature. Where's the paycheck?
Apparently there is no air conditioning. Oh.
What is this?
Oh wait, no, it's right there. I just don't know where the hookup is.
This is weird. Here it is. What the hell was that?
I don't know. Someone else is getting their room.
There we go.
All right, so how much a night is this room?
It's very expensive. It's I think it's expensive for the area.
We're in Gardiner.
Mm-hmm.
We're Gardiner.
Crappy town, so.
Robert's not impressed by the town.
Well, they don't have a lot of services. I mean,
Yeah. No, I mean, West Yellowstone is nicer. I wanted to try something different. This is very nice. You can definitely tell it's been renovated recently. But
it is. $610 for 2 nights.
so it's $300 a night. And so it's a keypad. You didn't check in. It's just the keypad wouldn't work until 4 o'clock. The one thing we didn't like is there's no parking lot. You have to do street parking. So Gardiner is a little more rundown looking than West Yellowstone. But the room is really nice. We got the air conditioner flowing. So we are going to go get our luggage. And yeah, this is like...
If you look down, it's not bad. If you look up, you're okay.
So there's nowhere in the back. There's just this little alley. Nowhere to park in the back. And we did find a parking spot. It's just we're used to...
But you're going to have turnover in that parking spot where people are going to bang the side of your car at some point. That's my only concern.
Sure.
And if you have a rental car, that's even, you know.
Sure.
But you don't mean Mr. Negative, so.
But the room's nice. I just wish it had assigned parking, that's all. See, and that's the street parking. This is Gardiner. All right, we're back in our room. Okay, so the one downside Robert pointed out, now I'm feeling it. There is no elevator, so people who are handicapped who need an elevator cannot stay here. 3 flights of stairs, narrow grandmother stairs. That was hard. That was hard work. All right, this is the last time we stay in a small business-run apartment, condo, I don't know, whatever. So first off, the fridge doesn't really work very well. And I just went to the bathroom and the toilet doesn't flush. So Robert, of course, is so freaking handy and he got it working. But he needs...
Some drunk at sofa, too.
Yeah, then the sofa, the back. Wait, can you see how I'm leaning back? Hold on. The back of the sofa is broken. So you're in like a total angle. See, we're just gonna stick with chains. I'm sorry. I can't. The sofa's, everything's broken. And if it was, and there's no one to talk to, all I can do is send an email. If it was an actual like Marriott, we could switch rooms. We're stuck in this room. It's just been a long day, and I don't like that my husband should send them a plumbing bill because he fixed their toilet. it shouldn't be his job to fix the toilet. See how I'm like, look like I'm practically laying down? This is a couch. I should be sitting up like this. It's broken. It's broken. And he's telling them all, because I don't want to be accused of breaking this couch or the toilet or the fridge because it came like this. All right, I just got the bejesus scared out of me because I came out of the door for our room, and
We got
pigeons. There's pigeons right there. Tons of pigeons right there.
Hey, pigeon. There's thousands of them.
Hey, yeah, look at all that nice pigeon poop.
I was wondering what was there.
Tons of pigeon poop. Whew. That scared me.
Stay in West Yellowstone.
Alright, I cannot recommend this place. Stay in West Yellowstone. Do not stay in Gardiner. Alright, good morning. We're leaving our room for the day. Robert's exploring.
Here's some towels right here.
Okay, good. I was just complaining about our room. There's only like one washcloth.
Good employees only, but
I don't care. I will grab one. I mean, one washcloth for like a 2-night stay when there's 2 people is ridiculous. Anyway,